Hi everyone! Koreans love tteokbokki and the stir-fried rice cake very much. For young generations, tteokbokki is their favorite street food, and for older generations, tteokbokki reminds them of their school days. If you travel to Korea, you should not miss tteokbokki on the street if you want to eat like locals. But if you don't have a chance to travel to Korea, you can cook tteokbokki at home by following my recipe. Tteokbokki is very easy and quick to cook. Ingredients are simple too. Rice cake, fish jelly, onion, spring onion, red pepper paste, soy sauce, and syrup, and finally fish stock or chicken stock. If not, plain water. I'm going to cut ingredients first. Onion, cut in half and slice. Spring onion, I'm going to make diagonal cuts. Fish jelly, cut into square. I'm going to fry onion first. You can put the onion in boiling stock, but if you fry this onion first until it gets very soft, you can add deep flavor and sweetness into your tteokbokki. Stir fry until the onion gets very soft. And then by doing this, you can extract the sweetness from the onion. Fry onion about 5 minutes so that they can be a little brown like this. When the onions are fried enough, I'm going to pour anchovy stock. If you don't have a stock like this, you can use plain water. I'm going to pour 1-2 spoons of gochujang, red pepper paste. Stir. 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 and 2 and 3 spoons of syrup. And when it starts to bubble like this, I'm going to pour rice cake and fish jelly. Over medium heat, boil until rice cake gets soft. Boil down until the sauce gets thick and sticky. Let's check if the rice cake is soft enough. Try to cut the rice cake with your wooden spoon. If it is cut easily, it's soft. Now I'm going to make a final touch with the chopped spring onion. As you can see here, the sauce is very thick and sticky. Hi Minso.
Hi Daddy.
I cooked the tteokbokki for you.
I will try my daddy's tteokbokki.
Okay, try.
Okay.
How do you like daddy's tteokbokki?
It is a little bit spicy, but it's very sweet.
Do you love your daddy's tteokbokki?
Yes, it's very delicious. Hope you enjoyed my daddy's tteokbokki. Bye.
Tteokbokki recipe.
Hope you enjoy my daddy's tteokbokki recipe. Bye.